Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram notes on the Instagram application. So all you need to do now is to follow these simple steps and make sure to watch the video to the end. So now we need just to go to our Instagram application. We go to Instagram and basically we need just to go to the DMs place, and here we will find the notes menu or the notes creation page or menu. And basically here we can start adding our text for the notes, and basically just anything, for example, and you can type whatever you like. You can add emojis and you can add everything that you would like. After that, you can also add a video story or a video note. You can just record whatever you like here and you can have it. I'm just going to delete it and basically go back and have like that. And to add the music, you will need just to click on the ringtone or the note icon here, the small note icon. You click on it and basically you can just browse from this variety of music. Or you can go to the saved music on your collections and you can choose any music that you want from your collection. After choosing any music, you choose the part that you would like. So, for example, I would like this part. You can have it and you click done, and you will have your notes that will include this music on your notes. So I'm going just to delete it and cancel. And as you can see, I have the text that I have added included with the music that I have just choose. And after that, you will need just to click share and you will have your notes with the music on your notes. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.